Welcome to Kyoto, the culinary capital of Japan. Join me on a mouthwatering journey through the vibrant streets of this historic city as we uncover the best foodie delights Kyoto has to offer. Prepare your taste buds for a roller coaster ride of flavor explosions as we delve into the gastronomic wonderland that is Kyoto. From traditional tea houses serving delicate wagashi to bustling izakayas dishing out savory yakitori, Kyoto boasts a culinary scene that will leave you craving for more. Let's kick off our culinary escapade with a visit to Nishiki Market, fondly known as Kyoto's Kitchen. This bustling market is a sensory feast, where vendors peddle everything from fresh seafood to pickled vegetables and sweet treats. Don't miss the opportunity to sample some freshly grilled taco tamago, octopus stuffed with quail egg, or indulge in a piping hot bowl of kitsune udon noodles topped with sweet fried tofu. After exploring Nishiki Market, it's time to satisfy your sushi cravings at one of Kyoto's renowned sushi joints. Savor the melt-in-your-mouth goodness of freshly caught fish atop perfectly seasoned rice, prepared with precision and skill by master sushi chefs. Whether you prefer traditional nigiri or avant-garde rolls, Kyoto's sushi scene promises to leave a lasting impression. Tempura, a popular dish of battered and deep-fried seafood and vegetables, actually has Portuguese origins. It was introduced to Japan by Portuguese missionaries in the 16th century, and over time, the Japanese adapted and perfected the technique to create the light and crispy tempura we know today. No culinary journey through Kyoto would be complete without indulging in kaiseki cuisine, the epitome of Japanese haute cuisine. Treat yourself to an unforgettable dining experience at a traditional ryokan or upscale restaurant, where meticulously crafted seasonal dishes are presented like works of art. From delicate sashimi to simmered vegetables and intricately prepared tofu dishes, each course of kaiseki meal offers a symphony of flavors and textures that celebrate the essence of Japanese culinary craftsmanship. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of our future adventures. Japanese cuisine is renowned for its meticulous attention to presentation, with dishes often resembling works of art. From intricately arranged sushi platters to beautifully crafted bento boxes, aesthetics play a crucial role in the dining experience. As the sun sets over Kyoto, venture into the atmospheric alleyways of Pontocho or Gion to discover hidden gem izakayas and yakitori joints. Pull up a stool, order a frosty mug of beer or sake, and feast on an array of grilled skewers, from juicy chicken thighs to tender beef tongue. Immerse yourself in the lively ambience of these traditional drinking establishments, where friendly locals and travelers alike come together to enjoy good food, good company, and good times. Japanese cuisine places a strong emphasis on seasonality, with chefs utilizing fresh, locally sourced ingredients that are in peak season. This not only ensures optimal flavor, but also reflects the connection between food and nature in Japanese culture. While you're in Kyoto, don't forget to satisfy your sweet tooth with some delectable Japanese desserts. Indulge in creamy matcha, soft serve ice cream, delicate dorayaki pancakes filled with sweet red bean paste, or elegant wagashi confections made from rice flour and natural ingredients. These heavenly treats are the perfect way to end our culinary adventure on a sweet note. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure through Kyoto. If you're craving more delicious experiences, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and recommendations. Until next time, happy eating, safe travels, and remember, keep exploring, stay curious, and always keep the traveler mindset on.